Hey, so here it is. Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $363.32 worth of goods. It was all said and done. I had an overage, a money maker of $51.88. And as always, that total includes a tax, so we got to keep it real on our coupon boast here. Real accurate. So it's for the week of March 17th to March 23rd, or March 16th to March 22nd if you live up north. So I've been doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to upload a video on the first day of the sale. Today's the second day of the sale, so I'm a little slow. Such a big heist here that it just took a while to get the breakdown and everything and the total and working yesterday. So, but anyways, let me get right into the 20 or so best deals I got this week. So let's start with the Carbona. Carbona just killed it this week. So we're going to start with the Carbona Oxy carpet cleaner and the pet cleaner. So these, I bought 10 of them. 5 of the pet stain odor and 5 of the Oxy cleaners. So that's the way you win on this. You do 10 of them because you got the Ibotta rebate that is a limit of 5. So 5 and 5 equals 10. So with that said, the regular price of these are $5.89 each for the Oxy cleaners, I believe, or the pet cleaners. So that comes to $31.66 when you factor the tax. And these are $5.69 each, so that comes to $30.58 when you factor the tax. So about $62 worth of carpet cleaners here. But of course, this week they're a BOGO. So you'd pay $5.89 for 3 of them and $5.69 for 2 of them. You're going to pay the higher price when you're doing the BOGO. So it came to $31.23 for all 10 of these carpet cleaners. And the magical hang tag there, so look for these in your store. So I used 10 of those. 10 of those hang tags, one for each bottle, so that took $10 off that $31.23. And then there were 5, as I mentioned, 5 Ibotta rebates for the Oxy cleaner. So, and this is what you got to do. You got to clip the one for like the value size or the bigger size because it takes $3 off. So it took $3 off instead of $2 off. So I was happy about that. You get lucky sometimes. This one I got the $2 off of 5. So got $3 off times 5, $15 off back from Ibotta. $2 off times 5, $10 back from Ibotta. So happy about that. $3.70. So $31.23 spent, $35 back from Ibotta and coupons, $3.70 overage on those 10 carpet cleaners. Color Grabber, kind of the same thing. They're $4.39. So for 4 of them would cost $18.88. But as I mentioned, they're all the Carbonas are BOGO this week. So they came to $9.44 for 4 of them. And there is a coupon, $1 off coupon inside. So from a previous box, as you see, I sacrificed the box to get the coupon. I haven't used that yet, but so you can use that, or you can use a hang tag. Coupon's more legit. I used 4 of those, $4 off, and then of course Ibotta has $1 off of each one. So spending $9.44, getting $4 back from the coupon on the box, and $4 off from Ibotta, making that only $1.44 spent. All right, let's keep it going. Mountain Dew energy drink, and yes, I've done this many times. And if you have that digital coupon still, and I hope you do, there's hang tags for a free one. So you buy 2 of them, and they're $2 each. The regular price is $3 each, so it'd be $6.47 with $6.46 with tax. But you're getting them for $2 each, so it's $4.30. As I mentioned, the Publix digital coupon for a free one takes $2 off. The hang tag also gives you $2 off, making that only 30 cents for both of them. All right, keep it going. Fody pasta. gosh, if you can find these. Now, I'm up to like 12 Publix I visited, and only one store had them, but all I need is one. So I went there, and of course, I got my free jar, and I've got the link and a detailed breakdown, so you can print all these coupons, and you can, you know, look at my breakdown below. So this is regularly $6.99, and $6.99 comes off when you use that free coupon. And as always, folks, I was building up to something. I actually did this in 2 transactions because I had, if you spend 75, you get 10 off. And I did another transaction. You spend 75, you get 10 off. So I did this whole thing in 2 transactions. All right, Kill Cliff Energy. I did this last week, and it came back in a Bada, so I had to take advantage of it again. So regularly $2.99 each. So for 4 of them with tax comes to $12.86. However, they're clearancing amount. I've seen them actually for $1.13, but they were all out. But for the $1.49 ones I got here, so $1.49 each now that they're on clearance with tax for 4 of them comes to $6.41. And there's $1.50 off about a rebate, so you get $6 back. And then there is a promotion that gives you them for $1 a can instead of $1.49. Or even if you buy them for $2.99, I believe that would work. It's a limit of 3, and I will get the link for that promotion in the breakdown below. So that made that, getting them for $1 each, made that $1.07 overage when you factor the tax. All right, Kodiak waffle mix. We've seen this one before, and yes, so it's BOGO this week. So for 4 of them, would cost me $25.16. However, being BOGO, they only cost me $12.58. And I broke this up into 2 transactions. The first time I did 2, the next time I did 2. And there is a manufacturer printable for a free one. I printed on photo paper, so I thought that was kind of cool. I just had some photo paper laying around, so it looks pretty much better. And if you can print in color, that's even better. So anyways, as I mentioned, they're BOGO, so they come to $12.58. And if you use 2 of those, well, I use 4 of them, 2 and 2. And she even entered in the amount is only $6.29 each, but she entered it as $6.99. So sometimes you get lucky on that. I was happy she entered one of them in for that price, and the other one she entered in at $6.29. So those 4, using 4 of these, was a $13.28 overage on those. And keep it going. So also these Carbona, again, same thing. So Carbona, these are the washing machine cleaner. They're $3.29 each. The stain scrubber are $3.29 each. And the way you win on this is, since Ibotta has a limit of 5 of those and a limit of 3 of these, you buy 5 of those and 3 of these in the same transaction, and they're going to be BOGO. So instead of paying $17.68 for these and $10.61 for these, roughly $28, you're going to pay $14.15 for these 8 of them when you factor the tax. And then, as we know about the hang tag, I used 8 of those hang tags, so that gave me $8 off the $1. And then these actually gave me back, they're only supposed to be $1 about a rebate. It gave me back $2 about a rebate because it thought it was these. So again, I got lucky on that. That gave me $10 back in about a rebate on those, and these were only $1 back, so I got $3 back on those, making that guy a $6.85 overage on these 5 washing machine cleaners and 3 stain scrubber. Carbona just really went out, and we'll continue it because they also had another one BOGO this week, and I've never had this one. I've never purchased these before. This is the outdoor cleaner, and its regular price is $7.99 each. So for 4 of them, when you add the tax, comes to $34.36. But since they're BOGO, you pay half of that, so you're paying $17.18, and you use that hang tag then. So I don't know, they can get strict and say, hey, you're only allowed to use 8 of the same coupon in the same transaction. The first transaction I did, I was able to use 10, and the second one I used 12. I used 4 and 8, but it all depends on the cashier. They want, you have so many coupons and such a big thing. They're just getting into scan mode and just beep beep, just start scanning everything. And I'll get into that in a minute. So $17.18 spent for these because they were BOGO. Used 4 of the hang tags. That took $4 off. And the Ibotta rebate is $3 off of each one. So you're getting back $12 from Ibotta, $4 from the hang tags. You're only spending $1.18 for these. And once again, help me build up to that 75, which I went way over. And I got 10 more off. Acuvue, Revitalize, these are BOGO this week, so they're regularly $10.49. So as you see, for 6 of them, they would be $62.94. But as I mentioned, they're BOGO, so for 6 of them, only cost you $31.47. And if you go to the Just Blink website, there's a $5 off of each box. It's kind of like a limit of 1, so you need 6 computers. So I was really running around finding 6 of these. Hence, I have no coupon to show you. But it takes, use 6 of those $5 off. You get $30 off in coupons. And then there is a Activate Rewards Johnson's rebate, kind of health and beauty rebate. That will give you $10 off when you spend $30. So I went over 30 there. So I haven't obviously gotten that back, but I submitted that rebate. So in all, spending $31.47 for these 6 boxes, getting $30 from manufacturer coupons and $10 back from the rebate. It'll be an $8.53 overage. Keep it going. Super Pretzel, these are BOGO this week. They're $3.83. So for 2 of them would cost $7.66. BOGO makes them $3.83 for 2 of them. Used 2 of these $1 off manufacturer printer. Now this link does not work. And actually looking at my coupon, it was expired. But as I said, they got in scan mode. They didn't care. They just rung 2 of those through. And then Ibotta gives you $2 off each one. So $3.83 for both of these. 2 of those, $2 off. Ibotta, $2 off, making that a 17-cent overage right there. All right, the vitamin C. Let's get into those. The vitamin C, Sundown vitamin C, there's a great coupon for $3 off of any Sundown product. So these are only $4.99. So you buy 6 of these. I bought 6 of them. And I mixed these into 2 transactions. So 6 of them will be $29.94. And as I mentioned, it's from the save of March 13th. So it just came out. I used 6 of those. So that was $18 back. And from the extra savings book, that was 3 of those. So we got till March 25th to be good on these deals if you can find them. There's also some for $5.19, zinc, and other ones. But I ended up getting the vitamin C. So time to stock up on your vitamins. $3 off from the extra savings, so I used 6 of those. That was $18 off. So I spent $29.94 for all of those and got 18 back and 18 back. $6.06 overage right there. These Sundown vitamin C gummies, I got 5 of those. So those are $6.99. So for 5 of them, cost $34.94. And there's $4 off from the same insert from the Save 313. So that gave you, when you use 5 of those, that's $20 back. And then 5 of those, that is $15 back. So $34.95 spent, getting $35 back in coupons. That's a 6-cent overage right there. Keep going. Purell hand sanitizer. Now I was kind of disappointed because the coupon is $1 off, and I got the link to print that below. And these are just the regular price, $2.99 for the 8-ounce size. The 4-ounce size I thought would be like $2.49, but unfortunately it was still $2.99. So not the best deal on the table, but hey, when you've got this and you've got just so many other good deals, come on. So $2.99 times 2 came to $6.43. As I mentioned, I used 2 of those manufacturer printable. Got the link for that below. And Ibotta had $2 off of each one. So $6.43 spent, getting $4 back in Ibotta and manufacturer coupons, making that only $2.43 for those two. Del Monte veggiful. These are riced cauliflower. So these are regular price $3.19. So for two of them will cost $6.38 with our BOGO. So you get both of them for $3.18, and there is a manufacturer printable. Dang, I don't have that there, but manufacturer printable takes 75 cents off of each one. So that made them $1.69 for both of them. You know, looking at this is like, yeah, I just got back from the grocery store, man. I sure am hungry. So not much to eat here. I got these and these here to eat. So I'd already broken into that box and I already killed that, as you can see. But that's the way it goes sometimes. And I'll take it. I mean, they're paying me $52 or whatever for all this stuff. Hey, I'll go with it. I'll eat the super pretzels. All right, Mountain Dew, zero sugar. So make sure you clip this in Ibotta because there's an Ibotta rebate for a free one. So $2.19 for this with tax comes to $2.35, and that Ibotta rebate only takes off $1.98, but which is good enough. So you're spending 37 cents for that guy right there. All right, keep going. Hidden Valley. These are regular price. They're $1.79. So for four of them would cost $7.16. And I broke this up into two transactions using two accounts. I got two the first transaction and two the next transaction. And there's a Publix digital coupon for a buy one get one free for BOGO. So that took $1.79 off. And there's a store coupon from the Extra Savings, which is the same, buy one get one free. So making those completely free. You gotta love that. All right, a couple more deals. Jove Water, where are you guys? All right, so these are basically half price. The regular price for these guys are $2.50. So for two of them, you'd pay $5. And this, once again, was two transactions. One account there and one Publix digital account there, because the Publix digital coupon is for $1 off, and they are $1.25 each. So making them only 25 cents each this week. So limit of one, but stock up on that. Last deal, the Silk nextmilk. So regular price for this is $5.29. However, it's on sale for $4. And there is a Publix digital coupon for $2 off. And then Ibotta has $1 off Ibotta rebate. So spending $4, getting $2 off from the Publix digital coupon. $1 back from Ibotta, making that only $1 from that Silk milk. And yes, of course, all this stuff helped me do two transactions and add up to $10. Add up to over $75, making you get $10 off. So check your store. Every store is different of which competitor coupons they accept. Mine happen to accept Sprouts. A lot of my Publix actually accept Sprouts, just because of where location. They have to be within $5 miles of their competitor, or whatever their guideline is. So that was another $20 off of this massive two transactions. And of course, I hit my Ibotta midweek bonus, which took another $1 off. So once again, what was my total here? $363.32 for the goods, a $51.88 moneymaker. So once again, if you haven't, please subscribe to this funny looking guy right here. More videos here when I get paid to shop. So hope everybody can get paid to shop this week.